My name is Patrick. I'm your host on this new episode of Basic Home Repair. Today we're going to show you how to put up a mailbox without going to the hardware store. What you're going to need is some 1x, 2 any kind of screws with a tip to match, and a 1/16 inch drill. Take your stock and run it through a table saw until it gets to be a smaller size to fit the hole, like so. When you have it down to the approximate size, you're going to want to check it with the hole to see if it fits. Looks as though it's sufficient. Maybe take off a little bit. When you have it down to the right width, you just want to cut short length. Take a hammer and pound these wooden spikes as far as you can get in, and you see they're going all the way in, which is good. That one didn't. So take a flush cut saw and then make it flush. Pilot holes for the screws, just match the shank of the screw or approximate it. Now drive your screws in, leave them about 3/4 inch still out to hang the mailbox. Snug up your screws a bit, and there you go. Who said you needed concrete anchors anyway? If you don't have a table saw, just shave it down to size with a razor. On our next episode of Basic Home Repair, we're going to put up a flagpole that's been broken off by the wind. What you're going to need is your flag post holder, toothpicks, 3 screws, a 5/32 drill, a tip to match, and extension. Now the old screws broke off in there, and we're not going to bother taking them out. We're just going to drill holes right above them. Once you have your holes, stick as many toothpicks as you can in the holes. Once you put as many toothpicks in, just hammer them in as far as they go. Okay. Flush cut any mess that you have. Drive your screws flush. And there you go. For this episode, we're going to put up a hose hanger. I'm going to use this old oak flooring and rip off these grooves to clog my holes up with. So set your fence. Hammer your oak dowels in as far as they go, and flush cut. Now your holes should be filled up with these oak dowels. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes. Drive your screws to the heads about 3/8 out of the brick. And there you go.